Today I have a quick spring craft for you. We're going to be making some moss balls, and I used just some Christmas ornaments that I had laying around. And what I did is I just used a screwdriver and some pliers, and I removed the top part so we had a nice flat smooth surface. Next, I actually painted them because the white looked like it was going to show through the moss, especially where there were sparkles. So I painted them, let them dry, used my hot glue and just applied hot glue all over the ball, pressed the moss onto it, and just made sure it was all attached really well, squishing it on there really good. And then I took my scissors and I just trimmed off any long pieces that were hanging off, and boom, you have a beautiful moss ball for spring. I used them all over my house in different applications. I absolutely love this. I hope you love this project. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.